How to download Edits app? Well, it's a new application that has been recently launched by Instagram. This application allows you to edit the reels for the video that you want to upload on Instagram. So let's see how you can install it. Head over to App Store if you are using iOS device or move into Play Store if you are an Android users. Once you are in the home page of App Store, in the source bar, search for Edits and Instagram app. You can see this app move into it. In order to install, tap on Get. The application will start to install it. You have to wait for a while for the download process to be completed. Once the application has been installed, now you can tap on Open and then use the application. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.